All right. Hey, Core 4 of the Sugar Gliders, and welcome Cores 1, 2, and 3. This is recorded live from Emerson on Tuesday afternoon at 2:45. All right. Lesson 7, ratio and rate problems. You can use two methods to solve ratio and rate problems. We know a lot of stuff. So this problem's a little bit different, so pay attention. Emerson Middle School has 150 students. Not really, but I made it up. 2 out of 3 students in Mrs. Warnicki's class prefer gel toothpaste. Use this ratio to predict how many students in the entire middle school prefer gel toothpaste. I'm going to show you 2 different ways. This first way is really like a model showing you how to do it. The second way is the mathematical way. You can use whatever way you want. I have a feeling you guys are going to want to use equivalent fractions. But let's look at our bar diagram first. I'm going to draw a long bar, and that's going to represent all 150 students at Emerson. All right, my ratio says 2 out of 3 students prefer gel toothpaste. So I'm going to take those 150 students and I'm going to divide them into 3 equal groups. I'm just showing you a visual of what this problem is mathematically. So if I divided 150 into 3 equal groups, each section must be 50 because 150 divided by 3 is 150. Okay. The ratio is 2 out of 3. So if I look at this section here, this represents 2 sections out of 3. How many students are in those 2 sections in all? 100. Okay. So this shows me that 100 students prefer that gel toothpaste. Okay, that's a visual, a model. Another way to do it is just mathematically. Write an equivalent fraction. So what 2 things are being compared? Students who prefer gel, what their preference is. I'm just going to write gel. And the total amount of students. I always like to put the words in so I don't get my numbers mixed up. So 2 out of a total of 3 is my ratio. Students who prefer gel. I know that my total at Emerson is 150 students. These are fractions. We've been working with fractions this whole unit. How do I get from 3 to 150? Multiply by 50. I do the same thing to the top and I get 100. Did I get the same answer? Yep, just 2 different ways. So the answer here is 100 students. All right, your assignment is to do the got it and see if you can use either method to solve. Actually, I want you to use both methods just to try them to solve this problem. So go ahead and do that.